Hello guys, I am Dhanesh Kumar. Today I would like to teach you CSS. Today is the first lecture of CSS. And let's start. What is CSS? CSS means CSS means cas cascading style sheet. How can I increase their font size? Okay. Cascading style sheet. There are three types of CSS. First one is sorry. Uh, there are three types of CSS. First one is inline CSS. Inline CSS. Second one is internal CSS. And third one is external external CSS. These three are types of CSS. First one is inline CSS and second one is internal CSS and third one is external CSS. And let's start with inline CSS by code. I will do code in VS Code. I am opening VS Code. Here I will write code of inline CSS. Inline inline CSS. My friend, I have already told how can you put boilerplate on your screen. First, you have to press Shift plus 1, then enter. Then boilerplate is visible on your screen. In body, we will write code. We are learning inline CSS. Okay. I am writing H1 tag. Hello, hello CSS. Hello CSS. I am learning you. I am learning you. And uh, I have to open so preview. Hello CSS, I am learning you. And CSS tell us we can make it colorful, we can make it kind of designable. Like we can increase their font size, we can decrease their font size, we can change their font family. Like, and suppose I have to color them by inline CSS. So here we write style. Oh, sorry, style. Style. I have to uh, make it colorful. Red. Color red. Oh, red is not looking good. I am changing their color. Blue. Blue. Yeah, it is still good. Now I am changing their background color. Okay, background color. Oh, how we can change background color? Okay, my friend, give me a moment. I am changing their background color. How we can change their background color? Background. There is no option of background color. H1 tag. Okay, let's leave it. I will tell you later. Blue. This is the inline CSS, and I'm adding a H2 tag, H2 tag, Great India, Great Great India, style, background color, orange. Yeah, I've changed their background color by orange. You can see clearly. Background color is orange of Great India. That is in H2 tag. Okay. This is the part of inline CSS. And I will tell you now internal CSS. Internal CSS. Internal CSS. I am commenting it. Internal CSS. Okay. Suppose H1 tag. Here I am writing let's let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. I have to make it colorful. Means here we give a styling. Below the head. STY style color. Give me a moment, my friend. I'm suffering from cold and fever. That's why my voice is too hard. Oh God. Oh, stuff. Style. Color. Color. Oh, okay, give me a moment, my friend. I'm forgetting something like uh, I'm searching from ChatGPT. Internal CSS with simple example. Here we give we give style below the head in HTML file. Okay. First I will select H1 tag because I am changing their background color. Let's sing a song by uh, green color. Give H1 tag. I selected their tag and I'm making it colorful. Color red. Oof, yeah, it's pretty good. And I am changing their background color. Background color aqua. And I want to change their font size. Font size 50 pixel. I, its font size has been changed by 50 pixel. Earlier it was a small, now it is big because I have increased their font size. by 50 pixel. Font, font style, italic. Yeah. Font style has been changed by italic. Earlier it was normal. Now it is italic. Let's sing a song. This is the internal CSS. I hope you have learned it. And now I am trying to making you understand external CSS. In external CSS, we need a file, CSS file, and that CSS file be joined with our HTML file. Don't worry, I will learn you. I will try to make you learn. Okay, I'm erasing it. Uh, Here is H1 tag. H1 tag. I I love I love India. P I I hate none. I hate none. Here is div tag. Div. Let's let's play. And I have to connect first.css to first.html because external CSS tell us you have to make new file something.css and you have to attach your respective HTML file. I have made first.css file already and first dot here we are writing code in first.html file and I have to connect first.css to first.html file. How we can connect? We can connect here we write link. Sorry, link. And here we first.css. It is connected. First.css file is connected. And suppose I have to change the color of I love India. The here we and we select H1 tag. And I am selecting H1 tag. We can background color red. Oh, I'm giving a red again and again. So that's why I'm changing another color. Background color yellow. Yeah, yellow. Yellow is not good, but I'm changing. Yeah, it is still good. And background color blue. Yeah, and I'm changing their font weight bolder. I know font weight bolder is not visible. Uh, font font, font style italic. Font size 50 pixel. And I have to change the color of div. Uh, Here we wrote, let's play. Mm, I have to choose first div, and background color green, and color. Oh, sorry, color Brown. Oh, brown color is not suitable here. I'm changing the RGB value. Yeah, it is clearly observable. Guys, I am travel from sneezing and cold. That's why I am cleaning our nose repeat and repeat because a liquid is coming from our nose. Okay, don't no worry. And this is done. Okay, so our three types of HTML has been done, and I will teach you next selector CSS selector. CSS selector. I can erase it. Yeah, you can erase. Okay, I'm erasing it. CSS selector. CSS selector. We learn CSS selector one by one. First, I will write the name, then we will learn code, and then I will write name, then we will learn code. Sorry, we will write code. Okay, and I'm writing first one is element selector. Element selector. Guys, we have already told you. I have already told you element selector because whatever you were watching, that's all were element selector. That is, uh, now we will be now further. I will teach you CSS in external CSS in the form of external CSS. Because that is a standard. External CSS is a standard, and that here is H1. I love India. Here we are selecting H1 tag, that is element selector. I am directly selecting H1, that is element selector. We have already learned element selector. And second one is class selector. Okay. Second one is class selector. The second one is class selector. Second one is class selector. Um, Let's we see what is class selector. Class selector. Here we write class. 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 Class H. Here what we can give the name of class. Whatever you can give by your own. Like I am feeling I have to give name of like love. Our class name should be love. Then I can give love. Love. I'm erasing it. So then how will how will select class? Here we write hashtag sorry dot love, and I am changing their background color aquamarine. uh, I have already given their class name love, and I will choose this tag by their class name. uh, uh, I have taken love as a class name, and first I have given dot. This is the correct method to take class name dot love, and I'm giving there also class 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 hat, whatever you can give, like I'm giving hat. Okay, hat dot hat. Oh, sorry, dot hat dot hat. Mm, suppose I have to make it red color. Background color red. Background color red. Oh, brown. Okay. And I am feeling I have to change. I hate none. Their color should be white. Then here we write color white. White. Their combination is not good, but still we are learning. Then we don't need to observe more the color. What's the color? And I know you have already catch whatever I am trying to make you understand. And here we can give class. Guys, we can give a class name as the same of to tag. Like suppose I can also give the name of deep tag class name love because class name can be same. Class name can be same. Okay. This is this is class selector. And fourth one is ID selector. And third one is ID selector. Third one is ID selector. Third one is ID selector. ID selector. Once more, I am erasing it. Link. First, I have to connect the first.css file. First.css file. And I am erasing it. Okay. First.css it will. Okay, I'm writing s2 tag. S2 tag. Mm, what we can write? You are mine. Ah, you are mine. You are mine forever. Forever. S3 tag. S3 tag. S3 tag. I am I am yours. I am yours. I am yours forever. Forever. And H2 H4 tag. We are made for each other. Here we select element by their class, sorry, ID name. So here we can give ID, ID name. My friend, ID name should be unique and class name should not be unique. Should be unique or should not be unique both. Means class name can be same, but IDs should be different. That's the point. ID, okay, I'm giving their ID name X, Y, ID, double Y, ID, A. Okay. Now I want to select H2 tag by their ID name. So here we will write first hashtag for the ID name of H2 tag Y. Hashtag Y, and that element has been selected by writing hashtag Y. Okay. And I have to make it colorful or changing. or changing font size, font weight, font family, whatever. And mm, we have already done too many times giving only color. And now this time we can make it different. Like I have to make it, their size should be big of you are mine forever. Okay. So here we write font, font the styles, so italics. Yeah. Okay. And font weight. Boulder is not working. Boulder is not observable. I don't know why it is not observable. Font weight boulder. Font, font style. It has been done. Font size larger. Oh, pixel. Let's give it 50 pixel. And I have to change their color aqua. Uh, Not aqua is not best. I have to make it. I have to change their RGB value. Yeah, yeah. This is best color, and I have to make it background color. Background color blue. What? It is totally useless color. Yeah, it is still good. It's looking is still good. I'd, I'd, guys, I'm not a painting drawer. Means I don't know how to draw, but I'm trying to making you understand. So d- don't take it seriously like of color. You can give color randomly because you are learning and you are learning. If you will be a professional, then you can learn what's the I don't know what's the course. Let's forget it. And uh, we are selecting HTML tag by their class name. Sorry, ID. ID names should be different, should be unique. But there is no need of IDs should be same in class selector. Okay, I repeated too many times. And at fourth and next selector is next selector is draggable. Fourth selector is draggable. Fourth selector is draggable. Draggable. Fourth one selector is draggable. Okay, this would tag. Is to drag. Oh, not remembering it. I'm not getting it. Remember what the exactly draggable. So, okay, I am watching draggable selector. Give me a moment. Where it is gone. Ah, okay. Here we write. We are learning draggable selector. Here we write draggable, draggable, true. And what was the, yeah, s2 tag, s2 tag, s2 mm, dr- drag, draggable equal, able equals to true. Background color equal. Yeah, here we selected by draggable selector. This tag is to tag. Here we first write draggable equals to true. That is not equals to I'm assigning true to the draggable. That's exactly me. And here we write is true tag. Here we write draggable equals to true, and here we will write curly braces and the background color equal. And here is the one benefit of draggable, guys. It is movable. Now it is moving. When I am dragging it, it is moving. You can see clearly, my friend. Draggable has been done, and grouping selector. Next one is grouping selector. And fifth one is grouping selector. Fifth one is fifth one is grouping grouping selector. Fifth one is grouping selector. Grouping, here I am erasing draggable S2, S3, S3. Oh, lorem, lorem 10, H4, lorem. Okay. Here we are learning what we are learning. We are learning uh, grouping selector, grouping selector, grouping selector. We can select multiple tags in one time. That's the meaning of grouping selector. We can select S2 tag, S3 tag, S4 tag at a once time. S2 tag, S2, S3, S4. I selected S2, S3, S4 at a once. And I have to make it bigger size. Fund family. Fund family. Okay. Font size 40 pixel. Yeah, wait. Font size has been changed. And guys, all the important selector we already covered. And two selector has been left. First one is child selector and parent selector. That is not important, but I'm I'm uh, teaching you. Okay, let's leave it. That is not that is not important to learn. For today, it is enough. Bye bye, my friend. I'm disconnecting the video. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Thank you for giving your important time. Bye bye. See you later.